guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to this week's video. For today I will be sharing with you guys my ground beef casserole recipe. What you're currently seeing is all the ingredients that I will be using in today's video, which I will list down in the description box. The first thing that we're going to do is boil our panini pasta. So to your pot, you're going to add some water, allow it to come to a boil. As you're waiting for your water to come to a boil, you can go ahead and cut up all your plant-based seasonings. Right here, I have my garlic, my thyme, my onion, and my scallion. Then add 1 tablespoon of salt. Once that comes to a boil, add your pasta. Cook for roughly 10 to 15 minutes. You don't want your pasta to be completely soft because we're going to add our casserole to the oven and allow it to cook even more. To your heated skillet, you're going to add your virgin olive oil, or you can use vegetable oil as well. Allow that to heat and add your plant-based seasonings that you diced previously. Once your pasta is cooked, go ahead and strain the water off of the pasta and place one side until your ground beef is cooked. By now, your plant-based seasonings should be cooked soft. So you're going to add your ground beef and mince. You want it to be very mincy and not chunky. going to add all my powder seasonings. For this next step, I will be adding my tomato sauce. I'm using the Prego Traditional blend. Please ensure that you're tasting your ground beef as you're cooking it. You may or may not have to add more seasonings just to give it that flavor that you are looking for. Then go ahead and add your spinach and mix and combine it with the ground beef and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now for the fun part, you're going to add your panini pasta to a pan or the pot that you were using before and add your ground beef and stir, combining both the pasta and the ground beef and spinach. Then make sure, mix it up, add spinach, add more spinach if you need to, it's up to you. Then you're going to take your pan. I'm using my cast iron pot and I'm going to layer it first with the pasta, then with cheese, then pasta on top, and then with some more cheese. I'm adding some chopped up scallion, and I'm gonna cover with foil and bake for 15 to 20 minutes. Wow guys, this came out really good. And not to toot my own horn, but it was so bomb. As you guys can see in the video, the cheese just made everything perfect. The colors are perfect, golden, everything just came together, and it was so good guys. I really hope you guys try this recipe and let me know what you guys think. I definitely had fun making this video. I hope you guys try it, like it, love it. Let me know in the comment section what you thought about this casserole, and if you have any other casserole ideas, let me know. This is really fun and different. That is it for today's video guys. I hope you guys enjoyed once again, and I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I can't thank you guys enough for continuously supporting and watching my videos. I am forever grateful. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.